Hey everyone, my name is Rahul Sharma and I am tech engineer in Cisco and I'm AAA team which helps with client to resolve the issues related to ACS uh, which is being used for Redis and TechX server earlier and now the updated version updated software is Identity Service Engine which is uh, used for multiple services and primarily for authentication, authorization, and accounting, which includes two protocols like Redis and TechX. And the reason being, I'm creating these videos just to give you an overview how things works in ICE and these days is most of the engineers which comes to us while troubleshooting we found that they're pretty new to the environment and so they need some updates regarding the how we can use the ICE just for simply authentication authorization purpose using DDoS or TACX protocols, and then we can proceed further. So, what I'm going to do, I will be going to cover each and every option or each or every menu in which is mentioned here on ICE, and I'll be giving you the update like how and also conducting the lab session, how to troubleshoot the issue, or how to do the AAA configuration on different network devices, and how to define those devices here, and how to take how to utilize the ICE as a fully utilize this ICE version. So I want to start with the deployment so that we understand what all what's the meaning of these uh, and what is standalone role here and what's a distributed deployment and what's the personas are. On ICE we have three different personas we can assign to an individual node, and by node I'm referencing to the individual ICE VM or appliance. So this is a standalone node in which we have which is by default enabled for administration, monitoring, and policy service. And administration personas mean this is the persona which is required for making the configuration changes on the node. This persona is for enabling the logs and monitoring purpose. And policy service, this is the main persona. This includes authentication, authorization, and all the services. I'll show you from here. So session services, this will include the network access, posture, guest, client provisioning, and it will include the profiling, TCNAC, SXP service, and device admin services, the TACX service, and for enabling passive identity service. So this is the main step where, like, while we are initializing a policy service node, we need to make sure that the type of service we want to use in that node, it is enabled here. Like if I want to use this PSN to be able to provide the TACX service, then I need to enable this here. I'll be showing you how to register the node, deregister the node, and then we'll include each and every option like licensing, certificates, and we'll go in depth of the certificate. We'll see how certificates work, and then how to create a repository, how to add a device, and how to configure the device for uh, AAA and internal access or external access of ICE node. So be in touch